Philip Dudley Cezar, born December 1, 1952, is a Filipino former basketball coach, player, and politician. Known by the monikers Mr. Stretch, Tapal King, and the Scholar, he was part of the fabled Crispa Redmanizers ball club of the Philippine Basketball Association that won to Grand Slams in 1976 and 1983. He was named the most valuable player in 1980. He was also a many-time Philippine national team player in the 1970s. Cezar was vice mayor of San Juan, Metro Manila from 1992 to 2001, he served as acting mayor of San Juan for 2 months. After Mayor Jinggoy Estrada was arrested on April 25, 2001, on charges of plunder. Coming from the JRU Heavy Bombers, some consider Cezar the best thinking power forward in the history of the PBA. He is the perfect example of a power forward with finesse, unlike contemporary for players like Mark Pingris, Eric Menk, and Danny Ildefonso, and much earlier, Alvin Patrimonio and Nelson Acetono, who rely primarily on sheer power and brute strength. Though barely 6'3" and less than 200 pounds, he was usually given the unenviable task of guarding tall imports from opposing teams. On defense, his unusually long arms served him in good stead, using them in his famous umbrella-like defense and two-handed shot blocks. He played the no-4 position for most of his career. He was like a second point guard on the floor, often orchestrating big plays and dishing out timely passes. He could also run the floor and finish fast breaks with his patented stretch layup. He is best remembered as the very first one-on-one champion of the league when he defeated Raymond Fernandez in the finals of the 1979 Sprite One-on-One Challenge, where he won Philippine Peso 25,000.00, equivalent to Philippine Peso 561,809 in 2021. In 2000, he was named as one of the PBA's 25 greatest players of all time in elaborate awards ceremonies that highlighted the 25th anniversary of the league. In 2005, he was one of the 12 initial inductees to the PBA Hall of Fame alongside fellow Crispa players Adoico and Boggs Adornado and Toyota stalwarts Robert Jaworski, Francis Arnaiz, and Fernandez, together with former PBA commissioners Leo Prieto, Emerson Costing, and attorney Rudy Salad, as well as legendary Crispa coach and team manager, respectively, Virgilio Baby de Lupin and Danny Floro, and the late anchorman Joe Cantata. finished his illustrious PBA career as the No. 6 all-time leading scorer with 12,077 points behind Fernandez, Abet Gidaban, Patrimonio, Adoico, and Acetono. He also is the 5th all-time best rebounder with 5,830 for total rebounds. Behind Fernandez, Gidaban, Jerry Codinera, and Patrimonio, and was No. 2 in shot blocks with 1,370. He also had 3,130 assists, or 3.4 assists per game, 599 steals, converted 2,767 free throws. He, along with Fernandez, are the only 2 players in PBA history who has accumulated at least 12,000 points, 5,000 rebounds, and 1,000 shot blocks. Coaching career. After his retirement, Cezar went to coaching. He served as a longtime assistant coach to his former longtime rival Jaworski during the champion teams of Ginebra in the late 1980s and early 1990s. In 2000, he coached the San Juan Knights to a championship in the now-defunct Metropolitan Basketball Association, beating the Negros Slashers in 6 games for 2-2. In 2004, he was named Commissioner of the Universities and Colleges Athletic Association for its 3rd season. In 2005, he accepted the job as the new head coach of the Philippine School of Business Administration. Political career. Cezar served as vice mayor of San Juan, Metro Manila under Mayor Jinggoy Estrada from 1992 to 2001. Cezar joined Mayor Estrada and his father, ousted President Joseph Estrada, in the hours before their arrest in their residence in North Green Hills. After their arrest, Cezar was thus appointed as acting mayor of San Juan while Mayor Estrada and his father were detained. Due to charges of plunder, Cezar retired from politics in 2001. On October 8, 2021, Cezar filed his certificate of candidacy to run for vice mayor of San Juan in 2022 under Puwersa ng Masang Filipino. 1. He was the running mate of San Juan Knights team manager Felix Usman, who was running for mayor. However, he and Usman lost to incumbent Vice Mayor Warren Villa and to incumbent Mayor Francis Zamora, respectively. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.